you don't do that.
Hello, Chai. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you excited you will have your new rollerblade?
I'll tell you when I.
Yeah, we'll wait. They have to go shopping first.
If you tell me.
Yeah, they will wait here. Oh, you're falling.
No. Oh my God.
She said that?
Yeah, oh my God.
And did you tell Daddy?
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh.
You should say, Jade, you should say, oh my word.
Only time I say, oh my God, say, oh my word.
Yeah, oh my word.
Do you know my bed pen?
Me?
No. I have new bed pen. And mommy too.
Oh, you have a new best friend?
Yes.
What's the name?
Pay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
You got 10 best friend? Oh, wow. You got 10 best friend? Wow, that's a lot of best friend.
Yeah.
You want your slipper?
I want to let go.
Okay. Oh, good job.
Oh.
You want to go inside now? Let's go get the cold. Let's practice your bike
No.
so that when your new rollerblade, you're ready. Remember when you have your new rollerblade?
Yeah.
You want me to get your...
Robert?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
I'll go get my water. I thought we were gonna go inside together.
I like playing outside. I like playing outside.
You like to play outside?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Oh, she's... Be quiet! She's taking a nap.
What?
Oh. Julene, you can use the other bike. Well, how come? Maybe Daddy can bike with you. What do you think? If you tell Daddy you can bike with him, you can bike with Daddy and Jade. You wanna do that
One night?
today? Daddy is taking a nap though.
Jay! Julie, what Jay?
She went down. It's all okay now.
No, okay. Julie, not Jay.
Yeah,
Yeah, not okay.
that's not okay. Ay, ay, ay. Hoo-hoo. Oo. Oo. Wake up. Sleeping Beauty. Wake up. Oh. Okay, let's go inside now. Malamig na guys. Malapit na mag-snow. Puno na naman ang snow.